YouTube.
It's Z and Isa.
And Super V. And today we're doing
The
pumpkin carving. Okay guys, so today we have our 3 pumpkins. Mine's Z and Zai. And today we're going to be doing pumpkin carvings. I picked up these pumpkin tools from my local Dollar Tree.
Okay, this is mine.
And also they have these pumpkin decoration kits.
Look at that. No.
One for boy, one for girl. And then I also picked up these little tea lights. The tea lights are going to be used like after we're done carving the pumpkin to put inside of the pumpkin. So let's get started. Since I'm mom, I'm going to be using the knife to cut the top. Well, we're going to start off with the bottom of the pumpkin. Don't open that yet. We're not starting yet with that.
I'm going to open it.
Kind of harder than I thought. So guys, I'm cutting these pumpkin, and I realized cutting it from the bottom is actually easier than the top.
The top is so hard.
That didn't take me long at all.
Let me pull it out. Oh, this is hard.
Listen, let me do it. Let me do it.
No.
Let me just do
Now let me stop.
it. Stop. Don't waste it everywhere. Don't waste it everywhere. I might need to do it for you. But the seeds will go everywhere. You can't dump it out. It's a lot of seeds.
Remember I was out to gather sheep? Possible she was. Keep it on the wall. Hide it in the stone.
Let me do it. No, let me do it. You're making a mess. Let me see it.
That is so hard to do, guys.
I have these little pumpkin decorations. I'm going to start off by cutting holes in theirs. Who wants to go first?
Me.
So I'm going to put the holes where each decoration will go. And then I'll just have them insert their pieces. So it's going to be 2 ears.
Why are you not cut those?
A set of eyes.
Wait, sorry. And take it out.
What else?
Wow.
A mouth.
The mouth?
Wait, where the eyes at?
I see. No, it is right there.
No, these are the ears. Wait. Okay, so these were the ears. Okay. So these are the ears. This is the eyes. And the mouth. Move. Back up.
We're going to put them outside and light them up.
And then...
I'm going to do it by myself. Oh, mine's so cool.
Oh, so these are...
Look at mine.
Let me see the picture. Let me see the picture of the thing. Okay, so 2 ears at the top, and then we'll do the wings at the bottom. I think I'm missing some holes. Okay, the wings will be down here. So it's a back.
Look at
I
mine.
knew it was
That Z is going to be creating. Move before you get cut. Okay, the same thing for you. Let me do yours. So you should have, let me see your pieces. All right, so here go your pieces. You can get started.
Set them out.
All right, let me see your pieces, Isla.
Wait.
That's not yours. You need to put your stuff right here. Put your stuff at the bottom. So this is yours. And then let me see how many pieces she has. So you have 2 eyes.
Why is mine together and Zealous is not?
You have a bow.
Zealous, get a mine.
And then you have, what is this? I guess that's the mouth. Really? Okay, so you can go ahead and do yours. Take yours over there. So your eyes go right here. And then your
Mommy, you did mine
your
the
nose.
wrong. Mommy, you did mine the wrong one. This one is right here. This one is right here.
Oh, let me make the hole again.
See, still mine. I picked the previous one.
Okay. And go do yours. Go do yours, Isla. So you're going to put your bow right there. Wait, I think your bow will go right here.
My ears. 1, 2.
Push it in.
Where's this go? This go right here.
So guys, look at
No,
mine.
that goes right there. That's your nose.
Guys, look at mine. I'm finally done.
This my nose.
Does mine look cool? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Is it a W or a L?
So put your eyes. Your eyes go right there. One right there, one right there. What are you making? Are you making a pumpkin? And guys, I'm just gonna like
Mommy,
freehand my
Zala put
pumpkin.
hers on the E. Oh, Zala. Zala, your bow is supposed to be on the top. Why you put it on the bottom? Mommy, Zala put her bow.
Okay, let her do it the way that she wants. It's supposed to be at the bottom. She doing it right. Put it back, Zala. You're doing it right.
Look at the picture. Where's the picture?
Wait. No, your bow goes at the bottom.
Mommy, which one is the wings?
No.
Put your other
These
eye
are
in.
the wings. These are the ears.
What?
Look, where's my thing at? The picture.
Yeah, those are the ears. You got it right.
Oh. I thought I
Look
got
at
it
that.
wrong. Mine just looks so creepy.
You missing these, Zala. Look.
Zala's
You
scared
gotta
of
put this piece on
mine.
there. So put this right here. Wait, I gotta make you another line. Move, wait.
Put my creepy.
Mine is so
Okay.
Put yours on. Why you don't have one?
Because I'm making mine from scratch.
Oh.
And guys, don't judge my pumpkin because this is my first time carving. And I'm trying to
Oh, I
come
wanted
up
to
with
make
my
mine
own thing.
like that. Oh, I want to make mine.
You can't play with the knife, so you can't.
You choose to make it for me. I didn't want one
My
of
pumpkin
these.
is still a little rusty in the inside.
this is cute.
See
Ooh,
boss.
so
You're so
cute.
cool. What I just said. How about that?
So cute.
How about that? How about what I just said? How about that? How about that?
Really?
Mine looks so rocket. Look at mine.
I don't know about
Mine
this.
looks kind
Look at
of
mine.
creepy.
Mine
My
looks
mom's is gonna look so cool. You can wait to see this.
Oh, Mommy, forgot about that.
Mommy, can I call you?
I
Mom?
go put my
Okay,
pumpkin
guys,
back.
so this is the end result of my pumpkin.
Let me see
Don't
your
judge
pumpkin.
me. This is my
Let
first
me
time
see,
carving.
Let me
But I think I did a really good job.
see. Let me see you.
This is Zai pumpkin.
I think you're gonna do like
And
mine
then this is
scary.
Z pumpkin.
Come
So what I'm going to do to my pumpkin, I'm just going to take one of these tea lights.
Oh man.
I want tea light.
Tea lights? What are tea lights? Are you gonna put one in yours or one in mine?
So I have one of these little tea lights. Give it back to her, Zai. Give it back to her.
I don't have one.
Okay, guys, I'm going to click the on button. Cut that light off for me right quick.
What light off?
The one by you. Cut it off. Hurry up. Cut it off.
It's gonna be too dark.
Wait, let me cut this other light off. We're going dark, guys.
Mine's is not lining up. Whoa.
Okay, guys. So you see mine.
Wait.
Where's my dark?
My door. My door. My light.
Okay, where's your light? Where's the light?
Where's mine? Where's mine?
We're going to go get it. Wait.
We have to
So
go.
let's see if her light is lighting up.
Why do we have to go? Oh, wait.
Hers isn't really lighting up. I think I need to put an extra hole in hers.
I got enough.
Extra. Oh.
It's so cool, guys. I can't believe I just carved a pumpkin.
Wait, put your pumpkin.
But I need to cut you another hole in yours. Cut the light on. Cut the light on. Okay, let me make you a hole so that we can see through your pumpkin. Matter of fact, you want to take your nose off so that we're able to see?
No.
Wait, move. Back up. Back up. Sharp.
That is really sharp. Look like.
Go big. Mommy.
Look, Christmas is like 2 months.
So she wants a light like mommy.
Mommy, is Christmas
So-
2 months? Mommy, we're gonna have to get
Let me
mine.
see.
Mommy, we're gonna have to get mine from the store.
No, I think it's outside. I need to look for it.
Bella.
Okay, so let's try this again. But I can definitely see mine. Do you guys see my pumpkin? So this is Super V's. This is Zai's. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Turn the light on. So guys, I think due to Z and Zai
Because you meet the
not
two
having a pumpkin like mine, you can't really see the light, but I'm gonna cut some holes on the side of her.
Bye. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.